What's the meaning of copy edit? Copy edit. Copy edit.
Copy edit. Copy edit. Copy edit means to review and make necessary changes to a written work for clarity, accuracy, and consistency. The result of copy editing should be an improved version of the original work that is error-free, easy to read, and stylistically consistent. This process involves correcting spelling and grammar errors, checking for factual inaccuracies, improving sentence structures and flow, and ensuring consistency in writing style and tone throughout the document. Overall, copy editing aims to enhance the overall quality of a written work and improve its effectiveness in communicating its intended message to the audience.